When you put your hand up for the music in the middle and you run to him, as soon as the music comes on, then everything else disappears. When you go into the ring, normally the best routines are the ones you can't remember. You kind of take on a different persona. I've been vaulting now since I was 7, so I've kind of learnt to deal with the nerves and the pressure and the buzz. It's just a way of life. I've never known anything different. I like the feeling you get when you're trying to do a new move and then you achieve it. It's definitely a team between me, Harry and the lunger. As soon as the music comes on, then everything else disappears. You're only thinking about how you're going to do your freestyle and just getting on with the job. You do get a buzz, but I feed off that, and that just makes me perform better. So even though it is an individual sport, it's a massive team that makes it happen. I wouldn't be able to do my routine or my vaulting without Harry. Oh, he's amazing. When I vault on him, I feel like he's looking after you, and yeah, I really trust him.